Hi, and welcome to episode 2 of Part of My Day. And today's part of my day is, well, as you can see, a long block engine. And it's probably our most popular selling item. I wanted to explain to the viewers the difference between a long block and a short block, and specifically what's included when you buy a long block. As you can see, when we rebuild them, the entire thing gets done from oil pan to valve cover. That's including pistons, rings, bearings, freeze plugs, water pump, oil pump, timing kit, full gasket set, obviously a valve job on the head. All the machine work is done. We clean it, we repaint them. The color is up to you. Most of them, as you can see, are this color, which is our original Datsun blue that we also sell individually in extra cans if you want to do some accessory parts like alternator brackets and whatnot. The particular valve cover you see on this engine has been powder coated. That version is not included, but for $100 more you can get it nice protected powder coated color. Otherwise we just paint them in cast silver. Same with the cylinder head. Now the short block is obviously just the bottom part of the engine. I say obviously because, well, it's obvious to us, but not everybody. You would not get a timing cover, oil pan, cylinder head. It's basically just the part you see here that is blue. We do all the machine work. It would include pistons and rings, freeze plugs as well. We paint them. If you've maybe got a recently rebuilt cylinder head and you've discovered that you need a rebuilt short block, well, then that would be the solution for you. But for now, this is all we have is this particular long block. This is a turbo version, which, as you can see, would include all of the parts necessary for the turbo application. You get a P90 head, you get the F54 block with the threaded hole for the knock sensor. It's also going to have a turbo oil pan, and of course that popular turbo valve cover. Now, if this is something you're looking for, or any version of these L28s, we also offer L24s, L26s, different head combinations, whatever it may be, I'd be more than happy to talk to you about your build. Just give us a call. Look us up on CaliforniaDatsun.com, and I look forward to doing business with you. Thanks for watching.